Welcome to Los Gatos Meadows. Personable, friendly, and part of the historic downtown Los Gatos neighborhood. A mix of restaurants, cinema, galleries, and shops are all right here. Our community offers senior independent living, access to services, and no entry fee. You'll find remarkable people and a sense of place that redefines our community, our neighborhood, our residents and staff. Dining services, housekeeping, and daily activities offer you the choices that make living here living well. Our community of friends, neighbors, and professionals want to meet and welcome you. Apartments feature lots of light, full kitchen or kitchenette, patios or decks, window coverings, and wall-to-wall carpeting. And with our linen and housekeeping services, you can spend more time enjoying life and embrace living life to the fullest. It's all here. Los Gatos Meadows. Living here is living well. Los Gatos Meadows and Episcopal Senior Communities invite you to learn more about other communities, services, and outreach programs.